No engine compartment items have been disconnected yet. I've just taken out the interior, and I'm going to do a little bit of videoing, try to help me keep track of things, hopefully. Weird. Music is still playing. Huh. Okay, preparing for engine and transmission removal in the Daihatsu Midget II. And I'm going to do some video documentation. Hopefully it will be helpful upon reassembly, because these things always take me a couple weeks and I tend to forget where everything goes. Hopefully this will be helpful. It seems like this one, famous last words, but it seems like this one should be easy. My goodness, it looks so simple. All right, well, let's do it. All right, a little more video on the transmission components. You probably can tell I've installed an auxiliary low volume, low pressure fuel pump to combat vapor lock on this vehicle. There should be a video somewhere covering that. Vapor lock's a real issue because this engine compartment is sealed up. All the heat just rises, especially when it's parked hot and the carburetor's on top of the engine, so it just boils the fuel. And having that additional low volume pump to go with the cam driven pump on the top of the engine keeps fuel circulating sufficiently to prevent vapor lock.